Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Betsy and the name of my channel is Nunis Crafts and Hauls, and I feel like I haven't seen you in so long because I was away. I did make a video up in Maine when I was visiting my grandbabies, and I did go there. My granddaughter is doing a little better. She saw the doctor. She does need to see an endocrinologist to see if something's going on in her intestinal tract. They don't know what it is. They don't think it's the big C. They're not saying it's not, but it's not like, how can I say, it's 9 out of 10 times it wouldn't be common in a child that age, and she's 2, she'll be 3 this week, coming up. So we just need to know what it is, but continue to pray. She's not in any pain. She's not lethargic. She's not eating. She's not acting sick. So those are all good things. But anyways, I have a Temu Haul. And if you don't know what Temu is, it's an online marketplace, not unlike Amazon. But it is a whole lot cheaper. And if you go on anywhere else and look for something that you need, 9 out of 10 times, Temu's going to have it, and it's going to be cheaper, a whole lot cheaper. And so I will tell you that this has already been opened, because my other granddaughter from my husband's son, my stepson, her birthday was this week, and since my Temu came in while I was away here, I had to come back and open it and give her gifts the day I came back. Hence, I didn't have time to do a video. So, but some of the stuff I gave her is also in there still because I got it from my other grandchildren. So, does that make sense? So, let's just get into it. I have mixed hauls. Stuff came in with other things. Some stuff went to Maine. It's just been a hectic month. I apologize. I am going to try to do this as smoothly as possible. Like I said, some things have been open. Some things came open, like this. I don't know why it came open. Here's the stickers that go to him. The box is, well, I know why. What am I saying? It's Temu, and when they package it, it comes in a bag instead of a box, and stuff gets squished. And so yeah, so this is, I thought this was going to be bigger. It is a game that you push the teeth down, and then it snaps on the kid. So it's kind of sadistic. But yeah, I got this from my grandkids because they wanted to play that game. They saw it. They had another game with an alligator and they were trying to push the teeth down, and it wasn't that game. So this is the game they were looking for. So I'm going to try to fix this box after, and I am going to try to give you some prices. how is everyone doing? I miss everybody. Oh my god. So, yeah, like and subscribe to my channel. You know what I mean? I made this sign. I need to hang it up somewhere. But like, subscribe, comment, and do your little thing. Tickle my bell if you want to be notified when I upload a new video. But I have plenty of people watching and not many subscribing, and I need subscribers. If I want to keep doing this, I need you to go in, it costs you nothing, and subscribe to my channel, because I love you and I want to keep doing this with you. Don't you want to keep doing this with me? Okay, so let me try to hurry this along. Let me bring up my videos. Yeah, my videos. Let me bring up my prices. I'm so sorry. I'm going cuckoo in the head. Cuckoo in Cocoa Puffs. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Alright. So, here are some of them. They're either in this order or this order, so let me see. That's the problem. They're in two different orders. So, they're not in this. Some of them are in this order. But some of them are in this order. So, I just been, okay, here it is. I paid $287 for this, and it's $254 now, and I did get price adjustments. I actually got a price adjustments today for something I bought, and it was almost $8. I had paid $16 for it, 15 something, and I got an $8 price adjustment. I couldn't believe it. It was like half off. So don't sleep on them price adjustments, because they do pay up, and then you can buy more Temu. Woo! So exciting. Okay, so yeah, it's $254 now, and yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay, next. Alright, so then I had 3 of these, and now I only have 2 because I gave one to my other granddaughter, Jacayla. My Jacayla. I feel like every one of my grandchildren's birthdays are in September and October. It's like non-stop. And they all are. So this is what it is, and it's kind of bouncy, but you turn it on, I guess, and it's supposed to light up. How do you open it though? Oh, there's a remote with it, I think. Give me a minute. Alright, so it comes with this and a little remote that turns it on, I guess. Alright, so it's not charged, but it lights up and you throw it and it comes back, and you throw it and it comes back, kind of like a boomerang. But it needs to be charged, and I just thought that was like so freaking cute. And yeah, I can't wait for my grandkids to have fun with that. My other granddaughter is having a ball with it. So yeah, it's called a most tricked out flying spinner. Oh, let me put these directions back in there so that their father can do that with them. But I got those 2, and My son says my videos are too long. What do you think? Can you guys let me know if my videos are too long? Do you think that that's the reason nobody's watching and subscribing? Because my son said, Mom, your videos are too long, and that's why nobody's watching your videos. And he said nobody wants to sit there and watch a video for a half hour, 20 minutes. So I don't know. But, alright. So I paid $3.80 a piece for these, and they're now, well, they're discontinued on that seller, but there's plenty more where that came from. And as you can see, they light up. They're $5.51 now from this seller, but that's what they do. They light up, you throw them. Oh, I think I was supposed to press a button on them in there. And then there's the remote, yeah. Anyways, you throw them and they come back, see? Yeah, so that's those things. But they're $5.76, $5.51, $6, $7. It depends where you go, but you can find them cheaper, or if you keep looking. All right. Now this I have already used this too, because I needed to get a metallic marker, because my husband decided he was going to put something somewhere. Hold on, I'll show you what he did. And it smashed into a bunch of pieces, but I glued them back together. But I used one of these metallic markers to color him in gold again. So can you see where I had to color him? He smashed here, here, here. This was right in half. The front was all smashed off. This whole arm was off in 3 different places. So yeah, and then I just took one of these metallic markers and I colored it in. But they have all the colors. I don't know if you can see. And can you tell that I had colored it much from afar? Maybe up close, see? But not from far. I just hot glued them everywhere. I did the best I could. And yeah, so he kind of looks even spookier. But it was in like a bunch of pieces. Like I really don't even know how I put it back together. But I bought that for, hold on. I bought that for, sorry, I'm going back and forth between orders. $5.84 for the markers, 24-piece set, and they're $4.47 now. And they're $4.47 for the 12-piece. They're $8.33 for the 24-piece. So, yeah, this one's 8 something now. This 24-piece. $8.33, and the 12-piece is $4.47, and I paid $5.84, so that was a steal. Yeah. Okay. So there's that, and okay, I got a bunch of stuff in here. Hold on. Alright, now these, I put 2 things together in one, because when I got them, they came out and they were broke. And I was not too happy about it. So, let me make sure, because I felt like something was in here. Hold on. Hold up. Alright. Anyways. Okay. So in this box is 2 different items. I put one of them in with the other one for my granddaughters because like I said, I bought 3 of these, and so there's 2 items in each box, but they came separately. So the first one is this, and it's a glow-in-the-dark fidget dragon. Do you see him? And he glows in the dark. And this, I got both of these are the same. I don't know if they're just different colors, the other item. And then, so that one, I got 2 of those. And actually, I got 3 of them, sorry. I gave one to my other granddaughter. So I have 2 other granddaughters. I have 4 granddaughters. I gave 2 to Ayavia and 1 to my other granddaughter. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to confuse you. I'm confused myself some days. Okay, so. Alright. So this is what they look like. See? They glow in the dark. They're white, but they glow in the dark. See? You see? Alright, and I paid $2.91 for each of them. Okay? And now you can, they're sold out, but you can get them at a whole bunch of other sellers. Look, you can get them. So you can get them now for $3, $2.49. No, that one's different. $3 you can get them now for yourself. Then I went and I found these. They're almost like the same thing, except that they're little fidget octopuses. You see? And there's like a hole in the bottom. You can hold them and fidget, spin them. Okay? And I don't know if the other one's a different color. It might be. Yeah, the other one's green. So I ended up putting them in with each octopus so that I wouldn't lose them. So see, there's another one in here. That dragon. And then this green one is for my other granddaughter, because she likes green. So, and the octopuses were, hold on. The octopuses cost me $5.95 for 2. And that was a deal, $5.95. I got 2 for $5.95, and then I got the other one for $3.14 for 1. So, yeah. Yeah. And now they are $3.47 for 1. And $6.59 for 2. $6.59 for 2, or $3.47 for 1. Yeah. All right. So let me put these back for my granddaughters. And I've just been, having a great time with my grandchildren. I had a blast with them this week. It was so much fun. Like me and my son and my daughter-in-law, and the kids had a big, huge pillow fight. It was so much fun. Like, you don't even know. Like, I'm living the best life I know how now. And I think it has a lot to do with this channel. Like, it's opened me up in more ways than I could even explain to you. So that's why I need you guys to subscribe to my channel, like, subscribe, comment, and please, please subscribe, because I want to keep doing this. It makes me so happy to continue to do this, and I have something to look forward to, something to wake up to every day. Okay? So, this is a free item I got for my granddaughter. It's her birthday, too, this week. So, I ended up getting her this. Look at how cute it is. Isn't that pretty? It's a princess. I think it's supposed to be from Frozen. And then there's a snowman. So, it's got a little hood. And I like that it has this thing at the top, so when the zipper goes, it doesn't like scratch the kid. I mean, it's not lined furry, it's really thin, but it's still cute. I mean, it's good. My granddaughters like to wear just like a little thing when they're in the house. Sometimes it's cool in the morning until it starts to warm up. But yeah, I got that for free. It was a free item. I was so excited. I couldn't believe it. So yeah, that was a free item. I don't know why I got it for free. I just did. Okay. But if you want to get it, I don't know if I can find the price for it, but it was a free gift, and it's $7.97 now if you want it. Okay. Alright. Now this, let's see what this is. I don't know if this is, I think this is a glitter for your eyes. It's the red one. And I paid 37 cents for it. I have the gold and the blue, and then this was like the pink. It looks red, but it's actually pink in my hand. See? And what it is it goes on your eye like this. Hold on. And it puts a little glitter on your eyelid. Which would be good because I have pink lashes on and I did not plan this, see? I don't know if you can see it, but... yeah. It's very cute. Huh. See? I don't know if you can see it, but it is cute. See that? Anyways, I got that for 37 cents, and it's 78 cents now. Hold on. $1.38 for that color, or 78 cents. $1.48 now for that color, but they're 78 cents for some of the other colors. And they have a lot of different colors if you want to check that out. And I cannot seem to put anything down in the thing below. So, in the description, my prices, my order. So if you need something, please comment and ask me for something in the comments, and I will be happy to find it for you. Okay, so I'm probably gonna end it here since they're saying that my videos are too long, and I'll probably pick up where I left off and do another video. But for now, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe. You know I love you. I tell you all the time, I am a people person. I love you. I love this channel. I love what it's given me. I would like to keep on doing it. So please continue to subscribe and like and watch and do all those things for my channel. And if no one told you they love you today, I do. I love you. Bye. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.